Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable reserved storage on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, what is reserved storage? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Storage in the right pane, and then click on Show More Categories. Click on System and Reserved. So, this is the reserved storage. Okay, this is the amount needed for the system files, and this is the reserved storage where Windows reserves some storage to facilitate proper performance and updates of your device. Okay, so you cannot use this part, but it exists on your system. Now if you wish to disable it, which I recommend against, then the procedure is to search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and reserve manager. In the right pane, you will notice an entry named Shift with Reserves. All you need to do is change the value to 0 and then click on OK. And then the reserve storage will be gone. Obviously, you will have to restart the computer after that, but I recommend against doing this. So keep it enabled. It is necessary. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.